Welcome everyone, I'm D-Mags and you're watching Simplehan lang, which helps you build your cooking ideas more interesting, fun, and easier. So grab a beer, sit back and relax while I show you how to make my favorite Thai dish, the Munam Tok. Alright, before we get started, let me show you all the ingredients we'll be using in Munam Tok. Today I'll be using the pork belly instead because I like the fat. It makes it more tasteful. Malinamnam siya para sa akin. But you can use the collar instead. It's also softer texture and may taba-taba din siya ng konti. And to be honest with you, I don't have the collar right now. So that's why I'll be using the pork belly. We'll be needing the spring onions. Kita niya? There you go. Galing talaga ng camera ko. The white onion. There you go. The cute little onions, red onions, or you can use shallots instead. What else? We have here the pakchi. We call it pakchi in here, or the parsley, the mint leaves. We need it. What else? We have the chili flakes. We'll be using this one. This is important to make it more spicier or hotter. The roasted rice. There. Hindi ko maipakita. Pakita na nga natin yung label. Ayan, roasted rice. You can call me the white pepper. And here I'll be using the sea salt, the fish sauce. All right. Siguro naman na madali na natin masusundan ang ating pagluto ngayon. So tara, samahan niyo po ako magluto. Let's go. Don't forget to put oil in your griller para hindi dumikit yung meat na iihaw nyo. At saka para malinis din siya. And one more thing, please try not to forget Calamansi. Nakakadagdag ng lasa to at isa sa mga base to ng lasa ng namtok natin. There you have it, folks. In just less than 10 minutes, we managed to make this Thai dish called namtok. I think it's on a northern part. Ano pangalan nun? Isan. So they call it Isan food. Isa sa mga paborito namin to, lalo na sa pulutan. Napakasarap na ito. Napakadaling lutuin. Nakita nyo naman kanina sa video natin. Napakadali po niyang lutuin. Pasensya na kayo kung tumitingin ako dito kasi tinitignan ko yung anak ko. Excited nang pumunta yung anak ko para kainin yung niluto natin ngayon. So maybe I should call him now. Dom, come here. Pero bago siya tumikim, ako muna ang titikim. Say hi. Wait, hold on a second. Ang sarap. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at this one. Here. Hi. You like this food?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a Thai food. It's not spicy, so you eat, huh?
Okay.
So delicious. Ayaw niya kasi ng sibuyas. So baka maanguya niya yung sibuyas kaya pinipili ko. You like pork?
Yeah.
Galing! You like that is namtok? You like it? Say ba? It's a little bit spicy, anak, ha?
Okay.
Say hi to them.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is Dale.
Hi.
Alright, very good.
It's good.
It's good? Are you sure? Alright, thank you so very much again. For those of you who doesn't know me yet, my name is D-Mags. And I do create videos for music, cooking, and entertainment. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button and hit notification bell para maging updated po kayo sa lahat ng aming mga bagong gagawing videos accordingly. And also, please don't forget to leave a comment for any concerns or any request you may have in your mind. Saan man kayong dako ngayon nanonood, we'll try our very best to have it replied as soon as possible. And what else? Wala na akong masasabi. Siguro, kanina pa ako sinisenyasan ng misis ko eh. Ay, ang baho ko na kasi. So, maligo na raw ako. So, alam nyo na. Once again, my name is D-Mags na nagsasabing mas mabango, mas masarap kainin. Adios!